Okay, title your notes, volume of spheres. Volume of spheres. Let's go ahead and put your Cornell line. And we will have vocabulary today. Vocabulary. Sphere is the first vocabulary word. What is a sphere? Like a basketball, a soccer ball, a 3D figure with all points, the same distance from the center. And again, anything, a 3D circle is pretty much what it is. Okay, your next vocabulary term is radius. The radius is the distance. It's the distance from the center to any point of a sphere. So let's say you have a circle. Pretend like this is 3D. Okay. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So the radius would be half the distance. Okay, that's your radius. Next vocabulary and last term is volume of a sphere. So volume has to do with like how much can something hold, like a liquid amount. A bottle holds volume. Anything that has something inside of it, it could be a liquid, but it also could be a solid as well. So there's a formula. The formula is 4/3 pi times the cube of the radius. Okay, and that looks like this is a formula. V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. And then the last thing is practice. Your practice looks like I'm going to draw a circle. Okay. And then you deal with a radius. So let's have a radius. Okay. Let's say that your radius is 2.1 centimeters. And we want to find the volume of this shape. You're going to use your formula. Volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Now remember, we already know what pi is. So the only thing you're plugging in is 4/3. You're only plugging in a radius. So pi is 3.14 to us. And your radius is here, 2.1 cubed. Now at this point, you can punch the entire thing into your calculator. Remember, to get this is that little arrow that looks like this. Okay, it's called a caret. When you punch all that in, you end up with 38.8 centimeters cubed. Okay, so let's say you have another sphere and they give you something like this all the way across, which is the diameter. Let's say they tell you this is 6 feet, right? And I want to know the volume of this. So volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Four-thirds. Pi is 3.14 and radius. Now notice this is not the radius. This is the diameter. Radius is half of that. So what's half of this? 3 is half of 6. Cube it. So I punched it in. Okay, and remember, this button right here, your caret, is how you get the 3 up there. Enter. The answer is 113.04 feet cubed. It's cubed because it's 3-dimensional, so make sure you put the 3 there. And that is it for notes. Code red is silver.